Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Costco stock, ticker symbol COST, currently priced at $302 per share. Today up 1.16%, after hours down 2.18%, past year up 24%, past 5 years up 110%. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at the market cap, valued at $136.7 billion. P ratio is 35.76, and dividend yield is 0.92. Taking a look at the analyst ratings, 58% give it a buy, 35% give it a hold, and 6.5% give it a sell. Now, in terms of the earnings, today, actual EPS, earnings per share, was $1.89, which is below the expected earnings per share of $2.04. Taking a look at the actual report, so you can see that Costco is the third largest global retailer, 14th largest in the Fortune 500 companies. Again, $135 billion market cap. Now, Costco today's sales is $157.4 billion, which is in the last 12 months. And in terms of square feet, it's 114.6 million square feet. Now, employees has 258,000 employees worldwide. A majority of the warehouses are in the US, so you can see 547 in the US. And in terms of membership, it's membership driven. So members pay a monthly recurring fee to get the benefits of Costco. 55.8 million households, 101.8 cardholders, 91% renewal rate, which is very high. A majority of their customers renew monthly to use their benefits. 3.5 billion in cash fees, and that's in the last 12 months. Now, in terms of fiscal year, you can see from 2018 to 2019, gross margin was 11.02%, membership 2.24%, and net income 3,659. I think that's in millions. Third quarter, you could see from 2019 to 2020, sales up 7%, operating income up 5%, net income down slightly, down 8%, earnings per share down 8%. Now, in terms of financial position, you can see the cash and equivalents at 11.7 million, long-term debt at 9 million. It's good to see their cash and equivalents higher than their debt. Equity is 16.8 million, property and equity or equipment at 21.5 million. Now, for dividends, it started ever since May 2004 at 40 cents. It's currently at $2.80, which is great to see the dividend grow. Compound annual growth rate is 13% and $1.2 billion paid out annually. So in terms of their portfolio of brands that they work with, they continue to grow that. You can see that they're in electronics, apparel, jewelry, wine, produce, bakery, meat, seafood, service deli, pharmacy, optical, so healthcare, food court, gasoline, car wash, tire center. And they beefed up their e-commerce platform, so it's great to see them provide e-commerce services, travel. So they're in a wide array of products, different categories, and it's great to see Costco have good demand during these times. Taking a look at Costco in terms of key stats, you can see that trailing PE, price to earnings, is 36 versus forward is 33. In terms of 52-week change, up 26.69%. Share stats, you can see that it's held by institutions at 71% and held by insiders 0.23%. In terms of dividends, Pretty solid dividends at $2.60. That's a dividend yield of 0.85%. Payout ratio of 30%, which is really good. We want this to be under 50. Now in terms of profit margin, 2.39% versus operating margin of 3.1%. And return on assets, 6.7% versus return on equity of 24.56%. And we can see that the gross profit is 19.82 billion. Quarterly revenue growth year over year is 10.4%. So it's good to see that kind of growth. Net income at 3.78 billion. And the quarterly earnings growth year over year is 4.7%. Total cash, 8.71 billion. Total debt, 8.7 billion. Total debt to equity, 51.62. And operating cash flow at 7.12 billion. So in terms of Costco, I think it's a solid position to hold. Great dividend stock. And I think it's a good long-term hold for consistent dividend payout. And during these times, Costco is a solid retailer. They have solid e-commerce as well as great retention rate in terms of memberships. I think it's a great long-term hold. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Costco? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.